Hi guys, this is Yinghui, AJA APAC Pre-Sales Engineer. Thanks for your interest in AJA Bridge Live, which is a 4-channel HD or a single-channel UHD encoder, decoder, or transcoder turnkey system for remote production, multi-channel video contribution, remote collaboration, direct-to-audience streaming, and multiple bitrate and format delivery. In this video, we are going to focus on how to simultaneously encode a SDI feed to Srt and decode a Srt feed to SDI in just a single unit. Without further ado, let's go straight to AJA Bridge Live web UI. This is the homepage of the UI. To set up an encoding or decoding pipeline, select Add New Pipeline. And first of all, I would like to show you how to encode a SDI feed to Srt. First, you may edit the pipeline name so that it will be easier for you to manage later. So I'm going to rename it as SDI to Srt streaming and encoding. Select the input type as SDI. Select which SDI ports you have connected the video input to. Start detecting input. Later on, you will see a video preview of the SDI video input for confidence monitoring. Then set the auto-detected video input stream as input. As you scroll down, you will see the audio stream and metadata info detected along with the SDI input. Next, add an output stream to encode the SDI feed to Srt. Select the output type as Srt. Fill in the IP address, port number, select the Ethernet card, select the Srt mode as caller or listener. In this case, I'm setting it as listener to transmit the Srt feed. Configure the video output settings and audio output settings, where you can route any audio channels to the output, and configure the audio settings like audio codec and the bitrate and more settings. Then once you are done, save the setup, save and restart the whole pipeline. And we are done with the encoding pipeline. It will takes a while to restart. While waiting, we can have a look at the pipeline status, where we will see two half moons icons here. The left one represents the input settings, whereas the right one represents the output settings. When they show green, means the settings are configured correctly. Red means there's error. Yellow means there's warning. The reason why the output is showing a warning here is just because no device is connected to it to decode the signal. So next, I would like to show how to decode a Srt feed to SDI at the same time within the same unit. So similarly, add new pipeline. And what I'm going to do now is to decode the Srt feed that I just set up just now. Rename the pipeline. Now I will be doing Srt to SDI decoding. Select the input type as Srt. Fill in the IP address, port number, select the Ethernet card, select the Srt mode, and because now I'm calling into the IP address to grab the stream, so I'm setting it as caller. Then start detecting input. Similarly, once it detects the input, set the auto-detected video stream as input. And as we scroll down, again we will see the audio stream, and if there's any metadata detected along with the Srt input. And now you can check the pipeline status. We can see that the encoding pipeline output now turns green, as well as the decoding input, which means the connection has successfully established. So next, add an output stream. To decode the Srt feed to Sdi, select the stream type as Sdi. Similarly, select which Sdi ports you have connected to the output. Configure the video output and audio output. And once you are done, select Save Setup, save and restart the pipeline. And now we are done with the decoding part. So let's check the pipeline status. So again, it will take a while to restart. So now we can see that both encoding and decoding pipeline shows green on both input and output, which means we are all good now. And that's all we need to do. So this indicates that how can we use AJA Bridge Live to encode our Sdi feed to Srt and at the same time decode our Srt feed to Sdi in a single unit. So that's all for today. To understand more about AJA Bridge Live, you may refer to the website, and you can also access to AJA Schedule a Demo website to schedule a personal demo, fill in the form, submit it, and we will then connect you with an AJA authorized representative in your area, in your region, for necessary arrangement. So that's all for today. We'll be doing more videos like this in the future for other products. Stay tuned and thank you.